Can you have a look on the screen, baby, and see if I'm in there?
My screen?
Yep, yours. Or mine.
Yeah.
And you can see the TV, averagely.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, heaps. There's heaps of space.
And can you pop away from this and check the audio?
Yeah.
I'll just jam. And then come back and tell me how the audio was. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, 1 2 3. We're just doing a little test at the moment. Samara's about to come back in the room and tell me if the audio was terrible or if there's something we can do to clean that up. How was it, babe?
Yeah, it's perfect.
It was good?
Yeah. So it's like quite delayed.
Oh, yeah, there will be a delay because we are going live. Yeah. Sweet as. Okay.
We've got 6 people there.
And how are we for time? Is it bang on 11 o'clock yet?
Yeah.
Ko tai te wā timata?
11:01.
Kia ora. Kia ora whānau, ko whaitiri pautawa taku ingoa, e ahu mai au e here taunga, ko Ngāti Kahununu te iwi, ko Mōti o te marae, Timikare te marae hoki, Ngāti Hine Pare, Ngāti Mahu ngā hapu, ana reira tēnā koutou. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei wānanga Kapa Haka. This is Kapa Haka for kids. This is our first session. This is our test session. And I'm going to make up a whole bunch of things along the way, try and explain a little bit of how I'm going to teach along the way, and then we'll, at the end of it, I'll go back to the drawing board, I'll have a review, see what worked, what didn't work, and from tomorrow we'll start our regular classes. Ka pai? Kia ora whānau. So, Kapa Haka for kids, for a little bit of background about me, I teach Kapa Haka throughout the lower hut and little parts of Porirua, and I mostly teach primary school, some intermediate, and I might do a little bit of work with high schools, but that's more around Maurako, confidence leadership program that we deliver through Taiaha. So if it feels like a lot of our waiata today are a little bit for the younger crowd, that's because it is, Kapo. That's where I do most of my teaching. So kia ora, welcome whānau. Please, after this, I'll put out a post with more details that you can share around if you like. But for now, no mai haere mai te Kapa Haka. First thing we do, we've got to take off our shoes. We always Kapa Haka in our bare feet. Socks if you're standing on a chilly surface, that's absolutely fine. But generally, we Kapa Haka in bare feet. Kia ora. Give you a moment to do that. Moment done. Hapai. Second thing we do when we come to Kapa Haka, we always mihi to one another. So I'll say something like, tēnā koutou tamariki mā, and then you can respond, tēnā koe mātua whaitiri. Ka pai? Here we go, let's give it a go. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā, tēnā koe matua whaitiri. Ka pai. Matua, in this sense, is the Māori word for mister. As a teacher, I use matua as mister. And my first name, Whaitiri, that's the Māori word for thunder. So you can call me Matua Whaitiri, or Mr. Thunder, or Māori Thor. Either of those three will be fine. After our mihi, we got to do our karakia. Our karakia today will be Kia hora te marino. I'll walk you through line by line, and then you repeat after me. I'll say the words, I'll do the actions, and then you repeat after me. Then we'll do it a second time, where we'll move together. Ka pai? Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu te moana. Kia tere. Te kārohi rohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihei! Mauri ora! Ka pai. Don't forget, give that Te Reo Māori lots of energy. Ka pai, give it lots of mana, lots of wairua. Second time through, kia hora te marino. Let's do it together. Ka pai. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi I mua I tō huarahi. Te Reo Māori ora. Ka pai. And I have a little translation that goes with that karakia to help our tamariki to understand the words just a little bit better. It goes like this. Peace be everywhere. Let the oceans be calm, glistening like greenstone. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Ooh, it's good to be alive. Kia ora. So we did our mihi. We've done our karakia. Time to start warming up the voice. And the waiata that we're going to do that with is not Epson printer. It is... Ahaka ma. Ka pai? It goes like this. Ahaka ma na para taua ngā whā. E heke mene pere te wenge whē. I hiki mini piri te wingi whi. O hoko mono poro tō ngofo. Vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku munu puru tu ngufu. Ka pai. I'll just grab my guitar. Generally, we sing this song 3 times. Ka pai. First time, it's just a little practice. You did that one. Second time through, we're going to sing it medium pace. And then the last time, we're going to go super fast, all right? So here we go. Medium pace. Ahaka mana para taua ngā whā. Toru, whā. Ahaka mana para taua ngā whā. I left you to sing it on your own that time. This time though, I'll join in with you because this is the tricky one. We're going super fast. Ka pai, you ready? Toru, whā. Ahaka mana para taua ngā whā. E heke mene pere te wingi whē. I hiki mini piri te wingi whi. O hoko mono poro tō ngofo. Vowel sounds. A, e, I, o, u. Uhuku manu puru tō ngofo. Kia ora. Were you able to keep up? That's fantastic. Ka pai. Hey, if you can hear some kids talking in the background, that'll be my kids. That'll be Jarden and Ivy, and Samara's in the background there too as well. Hey, another little warm-up song for us.
Ready?
Mahunga,
Ready?
Pakahiwi,
Good.
Puku,
Puku.
Hope,
Hope.
Waiwai,
Waiwai.
Taringa,
Taringa.
Fatu,
Fatu.
Ihu,
Ihu.
Waha,
Waha.
Ka pai. And a reminder, whānau, when we get to the parts of the face, let's not touch, okay? Let's just keep our hands at a safe distance. Here we go. You ready? Toru, whā. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu ihu ahai. Ka pai. Now we can do 2 things to make that a little bit tricky. Hey son, we can speed it up. Let's go real fast. Toru, whā. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa whatu iwai. Ka pai. Hey, the other thing we can do, we can take some names out, okay? So, no more saying pakahiwi. No more saying puku. No more saying hope. I don't want to hear you say ihu. And I don't want to hear you say whatu. Are you ready? Toru, whā. Mahunga. Wai, mahunga. Wai, mahunga. Wai, taringa, wahae. Ka pai whānau. Let's have a look at our next waiata.
Yeah.
This song is called Tūtira Mai Ngā Iwi. Oh, it's a lovely song. It's one that everyone should already know, so we won't spend too much time on this waiata. But here's how I would generally teach a waiata to some tamariki. First thing, we go over the pronunciation. I say, you say, I say, you say. That's really loud, babe. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Ka pai. Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
tātou e.
Tātou e.
Whaia,
whaia,
te māramatanga,
te māramatanga,
me te aroha,
me te aroha,
e ngā iwi,
E
ngā iwi,
kia tapatahi,
kia tapatahi,
kia kotahira,
kia kotahira,
tātou e.
tātou e.
Ka pai. So after we've done a pronunciation round, we'll do a I sing, you sing, I sing, you sing. Ka pai. Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
tātou e.
tātou e.
Good. Sounds good. Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
Tūtira mai ngā iwi,
tātou e.
tātou e.
Whaia te māramatanga.
whaia te māramatanga,
Nice. Me te aroha,
Me te aroha,
e ngā iwi,
e ngā iwi,
kia tapatahi,
kia tapatahi,
kia kotahira,
kia kotahira,
tātou e.
tātou e.
Sounds good. Well done. Hey, this time, we'll sing it with the raku, eh? Let's get the guitar out for a jam. Do you see the words? Toru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Whaia te māramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou e. Tātou e. Kia ora, ka pai. Let's do one more run through, and this time you can copy me through the actions. Here we go. Ki raro, that's hands down. Hope, we're ready to go. Ki raro, we're waiting. Hope, we're ready to go. Ka pai. Now I'm going to do the actions in reverse for you so that you just have to mirror me. So if I want you to hold up your right hand, I'm going to hold up my left. Ka pai? So that we are both going the same way. Alright? Ki raro, hope. Tūtira mai ngā toru wha, tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou e. Whaia te māramatanga, me te aroha, e ngā iwi, kia kotapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou e. Tātou, puriti aki amau, hea wehi. Kia ora, ka pai. Give yourself a paki if you were joining along in that one. Beautiful. Tūtira mai ngā iwi is a lovely song about working together, about coming together, finding common interest and understanding of each other. And there's Ivy Gill there as well. She's just baking a cake. Oh, this is one of my favourite songs from one of my favourite composers and poets of all time. written by Hirini Melbourne. The song is called Pūrerehua, and Pūrerehua is the butterfly song, ka pai. Beautiful actions to go with it, really simple, lovely, lovely song. So repeat after me. Pūrerehua,
Pūrerehua,
rererunga hou,
rererunga ho,
papaki parirau,
papapi parero,
rererunga hou.
rerena ho,
Ka pai. Ka piki, ka piki,
ka piki,
runga raua e,
ringa rawa e,
papaki parirau,
papaki parero,
rererunga hou. Ka pai. So we're going to go straight into the actions as we do our I sing, you sing. Ka pai. It's easier that way for the song. So hand down, butterfly on top, and repeat after me. Pūrerehua, rererunga hou, papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Nice. Ka piki, runga rawa e. Same words, same actions. Papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka pai. Easy, I told you. And when we get to this part here, ka piki, we're going to sing that part twice. Ka pai? Here we go. Pūrerehua, rererunga hou, papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka piki, runga raua e, papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka piki, runga raua e, papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka pai. Have you got those actions? One more time. Take the butterfly up, 2 gentle taps, follow the butterfly down. Ka pai. 2 hands go up, 2 taps, follow that butterfly down. Ka pai. I want you to remember those actions because you're going to do them on your own while I'm playing the guitar. Are you ready? Let's go. Papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka piki, runga raua e. Papaki parirau, rererunga hou. Ka piki, runga raua e. Papaki parirau, rererunga hou.
ta-da.
Kia ora. Ka pai. I love Pūrerehua. And as you get to know Pūrerehua, you're going to love it as well. Let's see what the next song is, eh? This song is called Karanga Mai, Piwai Waka E, or just Piwai Waka E for short. And I wrote this song after an encounter that I had with the fantail, or Piwai Waka. You see, where I'm from, down in the south, when a fantail interacts with you outside, that's considered to be a good sign. Ka pai? So, I had an interesting encounter with this bird, and I wrote a little song to go with it. It goes like this. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, tuki mai, piwai waka e. Hey manu, kori kori. Hey manu, fio fio. Piwai waka e. Kia ora, ka pai. Now this one here, it says waiata kanikani. It says a dancing song, ka pai? Because this is just a fun song for us tamariki to enjoy ourselves with. So here we go. Karanga mai, karanga mai, piwai waka e.
Piwa waka e.
Tuki tuki mai,
Tuki tuki mai.
tuki tuki mai,
Tuki tuki mai.
piwai waka e.
Piwa waka e.
Ka pai. He manu kori kori.
He manu kori kori.
Ka pai. Got my son in the background. He manu fia fia. He manu fia fia. P-Y waka e. Like an opera singer at the end. P-Y waka e. Ka pai. Here we go. Kiraro, hope, kiraro. We're waiting. Hope, kiraro, hope. Ah, did I get you? Did I get you? Ah, ka pai. Here we go. Kiraro, hope. Karanga mai, karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu, he manu kori kori. He manu fio fio. Piwai waka e. God, boy, I love that song. Now at the end we go P-Y waka e. This time I want you to see how long you can hold that note for without taking a breath. Ka pai? See how long you can go. Kiraro, no cheating. Hope, karanga mai, toru fa. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu kori kori. He manu fia fia. Piwai waka e. Crazy. Are you still going? Oh yeah, I can hear some all down the street. Okay, here we go. Kiraro, hope. Being one of my absolutely favourite dancing songs, just let yourself loose, ka pai? When you get to the he manu kori kori, ka pai? Put the hips and the shoulders into that movement, ka pai? And this time, let's see if we can't speed it up a bit. Yeah, speed it up a bit. Keep up. Kiraro, hope. Toru fa. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu kori kori. He manu fia fia. Piwai waka e. Kia ora, ka pai. If you're sitting down, stay sitting down. If you're standing up, hey, now's probably a good chance to have a little bit of a break. Take a seat. We're going to move through now into doing a little bit of a haka. And the first phase of that haka is just to understand the kupu. Let's learn the words to the first half of the haka. Let's understand what those kupu are, and then we'll get back up again and do some more physical work for our haka. Ka pai? So take a seat, whānau, but don't tune out. Here we go. Awesome. Okay. So my screen has frozen on me, but that's okay, because this haka is probably easy enough to learn without looking at the kupu. Alright, so if you can, just block that out for a moment, okay? I want you to repeat after me. He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia. He toa, he toa. I can't hear you. Kia maia, kia maia. Kia ora. He kakano, he kakano. Beautiful. Ruia mai, ruia mai. Irangi atea, irangi atea. Hey! Kapai. It's really short, it's really easy, but it has the potential to be really powerful. So let's go over those kupu one more time. Yeah? He toa, he toa.
Eto, eto.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maia, kia maia.
He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia. He kakano. Ruia mai. Irangi atea. Irangi atea. Hey! Ka pai. Kia ora. Now when we do the haka, we want to have a really strong voice. So this time, when you repeat after me, I want you to use your haka voice. Ka pai? Are you ready? After me. Heto, heto.
Eto, eto.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Heto, heto.
Eto, eto.
Kia maia, kia maia.
Kia maia, kia maia.
He kakano.
Ekakano.
Ruia mai.
Ruia mai.
Irangi atea.
Irongi atero.
Hey!
Hey.
Ka pai whānau. Beautiful. So we've got 2 haka to go, okay? 2 more times. The next time we do it, I'm going to go 100%. Ka pai? 100% strength. And then I want you to do the haka after me. I'll do a line, then you do a line. I'll do a line, then you do a line. Ka pai? So you're repeating after me, but we want to get that energy flowing and get those actions locked down. So by now you should be standing. If not, e tu whānau, here we go. Ki raro, hands come down by our sides. No, I still got a nice smile on my face. Ka pai? Hope. Oh, I'm ready to go, but not for the haka. Ki raro, still smiling. And then I'm going to say ki te haka, and ki te haka means ready for the haka. And change your whole persona. Get rid of that smile, make your body nice and strong. You ready? Like this. Ki raro, ki te haka. Come on. Here we go. I'll go first, you go after me. 100%. Heto! Heto!
Eto, eto.
Kia maia! Kia maia!
Kia maia, kia maia.
Heto! Heto!
Eto, eto.
Kia maia! Kia maia!
Kia maia, kia maia.
He kakano!
Ekakano.
Ruia mai!
Ruia mai.
Irangi atea!
Iranga atera.
Hey!
Hey.
Kia ora. Kia ora whānau. Feeling that wairua, eh? Feeling that energy moving through your body. Tell you what we're about to do. We're about to do that haka one more time. Okay? Let's go one more time. But this time, I want to introduce to you 3 rules that keep us safe when we haka. 3 rules that keep us safe when we haka. Ka pai? Son, do you remember what the rules are? No. Yeah? Strong face. The first one is strong face. Ka pai? That's my nice way of saying don't smile in the haka. Ka pai? Nothing will ruin a haka like a smile. You can make mistakes in the haka. You can forget the words in the haka and you'll be forgiven. But nothing will ruin a haka like a smile. Okay? So strong face. The second one of those rules is strong voice. Sometimes we think strong voice is just being loud. But when we're screaming really, really loud, it's hard to understand the words. Let me give you an example. Have you ever heard a haka like this before? Yeah? The words are hei runga, hei raro, but we can't understand you because you've lost all control. So strong voice, be loud, but be clear. And the final rule is strong actions. Ka pai? Have you ever seen a haka that goes like this?
No.
Nah, of course not. So strong face, strong voice, strong actions. Okay? This is our last haka for the day. Are you ready? Here we go. Ki raro. Ki te haka. Come! I'm not going to wait for you to catch up this time. This haka, I just want you to do it with me as best you can. If you forget the words, that's okay, but follow me through the actions. Give it a red hot go, whānau. This is our last haka for the day. You ready? Here we go. He toa, toru, wha. He toa, kia maia, kia maia. He toa, kia maia, kia maia. He kakano, ruia mai, irangi ate.
Okay.
Ki raro.
Yours.
Kia ora, whānau. Did you give that a red hot go? Oh, I'm sure you did. Ka pai. If you did, give yourself a little pat on the back. Ka pai. And for all your whānau and your friends that are doing it with them, give them a little paki paki as well. Maybe even give them a wave or a high five. Ka pai. Kia ora. Hey, let me just check the time and I'll be back with you. Ka pai. Don't go anywhere.
11:31.
11:31? Okay. It's 11:31. So here's what we'll do. Let's wrap it up for the day, eh? Let's do Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Let's do Pūrere hua. And let's do Karanga mai. Let's do those 3 songs one time through each. Ka pai? I'll jam the actions. You jam some singing. Copy the actions. The wrap up. Let's just enjoy all 3 of those waiata. Ka pai? Kia ora. Ki raro. Hope. Tūtira mai ngā toru wha. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi. Tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga. Me te aroha e ngā iwi. Kia kota patahi, kia kota hira. Tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou. Pūriti aki amau. He au e hi. Ka pai. Pūrere hua toru wha. Pūrere hua rere runga hau. Papa ki pari rau rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rau ae. Papa ki pari rau rere runga hau. Katou runga pua wai. Ka whānau hua, ha pūrere hua. Ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe. Last time. Pūrere hua, rere runga hau. Papa ki pari rau, rere runga hau. Ka piki runga rau ae. Papa ki pari rau, rere runga hau. Kia ora. And our last one, our waiata kani. Have fun with it. Toru wha. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e he manu, kori, kori, he manu, fia, fia, piwai waka still going. Kia ora. Hey whānau, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Again, I'll look back and see what we couldn't have done better. Figure out how we can't keep our screen refreshed so it doesn't freeze on us halfway through. I'll check the audio quality, I'll check the visual quality and see if there's any tweaks that we can't make. But thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Check my page, Matua Whaitiri Pautawa. Check that one for the details of our regular lessons over the course of Thursday, Friday, and all of next week, with the official school holidays starting 3 p.m. on next Friday, Kapai. So we got a week's worth of Kapa Haka to get through. It's going to be fun. Hopefully, if you keep up with it, we won't have to spend as much time on recapping songs. So by the end of the next week, we should have at least 12 waiata that we can just jam. Kapai, kia ora whānau. Kia pai tō koutou rā, have a lovely day. Ka kite anō a pōpō. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Kia piki te ora, hei whiti te rā. Yeah, when the sun is shining, life is abundant, health as well. Ka pai. Take it easy whānau, ka kite anō.
Papa, you got heaps of viewers.